Asan akong baby, Mamang? Mamang, asan baby ko? Mamang. Wala, Mamang. Di ko kita, baby, Mamang. Ang baby ng Mamang di makita. Nasaan ba yun? Nasaan ba yung baby ko? Asan ba yung baby ko, Mang? Mamang, asan baby ko, Mang? Alamang, di lagi kita na, Mamang. Asan ba yun? Leo? 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 Asan ikaw? Hindi ko kita. Asan ikaw, baby ng Mamang? Oh, dito pala. Oh! Hello, good morning po. Hello, good morning. Good morning ng baby ng Mamang. Good morning. Hello, Mamang. Gwapo kayo mo na. So handsome naman ang baby ng Mama. So handsome naman. Hello, Mamang. Good morning. Ano ba yun? Kiss, Mamang. Kiss, Mamang, baby. Kiss, Mamang. Hi. Good morning. Morning, baby ng Mamang. Opo. Morning to, Mamang. Sarap naman ng morning ni Mamang. So beautiful naman ang morning ng Mamang, ng baby. Hello. Good morning. I love you. 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 Sarap. I love you. Leo. 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 Good morning po. Maybe today is our last day here. Lilipat kami sa aming new apartment. Hindi ko lang alam. Yung apartment namin malaki, maliit. Hi, good morning anak ko. Mahal na mali Mamang yan. Sobrang love ni Mamang. Sobrang love ni Mamang yan. Sobrang love ng Mamang baby Leo na yan. Leo ang baby ng Mamang. Leo ang baby ng Mamang. Natulog ka? Ha? Sleeping? Ginising ka ni Mamang doon? Doon sleep ka doon? Ginising ka ni Mamang? Hanap ka ni Mamang? Mamang wake up already. That's why Mamang finds Leo. Where is my Leo? Go. Where Leo is sleeping? Mamang very noisy. Mamang very noisy. I was sleeping, Mamang. You calling me. Why? You're so noisy, Mamang. I was sleeping. You're so noisy. And you're calling me. Why you calling me? I'm still sleeping, Mamang. Why you calling me? I'm still sleeping, Mamang. Mamang. I love you, Mamang. I love you, Leo. I love you. I love you, Leo. Leo, I love you. Leo, I love you. I love you po. Ay, sarap ng kiss. I love you to Mamang. Did you say I love you to Mamang? Say hi, guys. Hello. We're wake up now with Mamang. Hello, guys. Say hello, guys. Hello. Wanna eat? Uy, sexy man. May pagkain mo si Leo. Come. Come. Kalas. Seafood. Meron pa lang food ikaw ah. May food pala ikaw.
Ayos na sila, Diyos ko po.
Ha? Sige na kayo mag-prepare ko on things for work. Yalla. Bye. Goodbye guys. See you. See you. See you to our next vlog. See you to our next videos.